I'm going to show you how you can easily add clickable links to icon texts and images in Canva. All you need to do is either press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-K or simply right-click on your graphic, then choose Link. This will provide you with the choice to either link to an external website, or you can also link within your document, especially if it is a multi-page document like in this instance. For now, I will use this link to an external website. Let us say website link added. Now, it is important to remember that once you download the design as an image, such as a PNG or JPEG, the link won't function. That is intentional. It is the inherent behavior of images. However, unless you opt for adding image maps through code, but if you want this added link to be functional, you have two options. Firstly, you can embed this as a design somewhere on your website, web page, or blog post, or download it as a PDF. Ensure you don't perform any of these actions. For instance, if you flatten the PDF, the link won't work again. Avoid flattening it. Simply download the design as a PDF, and then you can use the hyperlink within your design. And for the embed to function, simply take it and then click on the embed option, where you will receive the HTML embed code. Copy this code, paste it into your blog post, and it should function seamlessly. So here is the image that I have included. If you observe, there is no clickable option on this image per se, but this text is clickable. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.